Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress up as Alice in Wonderland in Dress to Impress for free without a VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can use this hairstyle and then you're going to go to the dressing room and you're going to wear you're going to wear this skirt and color the first selection blue. This blue, you can use this color code, and for the second selection you can color it white, and then for the ribbon as well, color it white. Okay, and now let's move to the corset area. It's over here, and you can wear this corset and color the first selection white. The second for the second selection, color it blue. Okay, and for the third selection, color it white. And for the fourth selection, color it blue. And the last one, color it blue. Okay, and then you're going to wear this sleeves, color it blue as well. And then we're going to wear this shoe, and I'm going to add sock and color the sock white. Okay, and let's move to this area. I'm going to wear this ribbon and change the toggle to 5 and then color it blue. And then I'm going to move to the stocking area, and then I'm going to wear the stocking, color it white, and remove the feet. Okay, and then the last one, we're going to wear ribbon on the hair. You can wear this headband, and we're going to wear this ribbon, toggle it, change the toggle to type 3 and color it black. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.